plates in the rock crust, trying to start a fireworks show.
On in the relay race. So, could we have a little bit of quiet, please? This is a very special moment here in pre-K. We have our own volcano. And the idea for this volcano came from the fact that many of us were stranded at Easter time and didn't go back to school. And all the flights were grounded and people were well and truly stuck. Now normally our unit of inquiry was the voice of sound. But we had the idea that since everybody knew so much about volcanoes already, that we would run the theme of volcanoes instead. And we have learned a lot. Anyway, if you want to find out more about volcanoes, how they happen, the center of the earth and everything, just ask the boys and girls. They'll fill you in. And it's Dusty Moxie of St. John. Can I ask Rita from Polly, Joshua from Cedar, and who from Oak? Jacob from Oak to please come. To please come and cut your ribbon, and we will declare our volcano open for business.
Starts to flow, then you will surely know it's a volcano. It's a volcano. Look down in the earth's deep zone, way down under soil and rock. You'll find that there's magma burning, pushing up through the plates in the rock crust, trying to start a fireworks show. And when the lava starts to flow, it's a volcano. It's a volcano. Nature's always changing everything we see, always rearranging under the land and in the sea. It's a volcano. It's a volcano.